In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a roadmap in Miro. We're going to keep this simple and efficient using Miro's built-in templates so you can spin up a professional-looking roadmap in minutes. A roadmap helps you communicate priorities, timelines, and ownership at a glance. And Miro's template gallery makes the setup quick while still giving you plenty of room to customize. First, open your browser and go to Miro.com. This will take you to your Miro dashboard. If you're not already signed in, make sure you log into the workspace where you want your roadmap to live so you can save and share it later. Once you're on the dashboard, you're in the right place to start building. Next, click Explore Templates. You'll usually find this from the dashboard or when creating a new board. The template gallery is designed to speed up your process with layouts that follow best practices, which is perfect for roadmaps since they blend timelines, themes, and status cues. Now use the search bar in the template gallery and type the word roadmap. This is the quickest way to filter everything down to what you need. You'll likely see a few variations like product roadmaps, project roadmaps, or timeline-centric versions. Take a moment to preview the options. Look for a layout that matches how your team thinks. Maybe you prefer quarters over months, or swim lanes by team or initiative. Picking the right structure up front will save time later. When you've found the roadmap template that fits, select it and click Use. Miro will open the template on a board so you can start working right away. You'll see placeholder sections for timeframes, themes, and items, along with labels and shapes that you can edit. If it helps, rename the board to something clear and set your zoom so you can see the full layout before diving in. From here, begin personalizing the template to reflect your plan. Replace placeholder text with your initiatives, milestones, or epics. Define your timescale, weeks, months, or quarters, and make sure it aligns with your planning rhythm. Consider a simple color scheme to indicate status, such as planned, in progress, or done, and keep your legend easy to understand. Keep titles short and consistent so stakeholders can scan quickly. If you're working with a team, agree on how items are grouped, whether by product area, department, or objective, so the roadmap reads the same way for everyone. As you update, remember that less is more. Highlight key priorities and leave detailed execution in linked documents or separate boards. And that's it. By going to Miro, exploring templates, searching for roadmap, and choosing use, you'll have a strong starting point that you can adapt to your workflow. Save your progress, share with your team, and revisit regularly to keep it current and useful.